ready to transform your dog food brand from bland to brilliant with packaging that truly pops. Let's dive right into Photoshop to craft some eye-catching dog food packaging. First, we'll set up our document. Go to File, New for typical packaging. A good starting point is around 10 inches wide by 12 inches tall. With a resolution of 300 pixels per inch for crisp printing, make sure your color mode is set to CMYK, as this is standard for professional printing. Next, consider your layout. Press Ctrl-R or Command-R on Mac to bring up the rulers and drag out guides to define your safe zones and bleed areas. This ensures your important text and graphics won't get trimmed off. Think about where your logo, product name, key benefits, and nutritional information will live. Branding is crucial. Upload your logo and choose fonts that evoke trust and appeal to pet owners. Think clean, friendly, and readable for imagery. High-quality photos of happy, healthy dogs or appetizing illustrations of the food itself can be very effective. Let's place your brand in the spotlight. Drag your logo into your document and position it prominently. Then, type out your product name, consider font size, and wait to make it stand out. Remember, this is what customers see first. Now for the essential information. Dog food packaging has regulatory requirements. Dedicate clear areas for the ingredient list. Guaranteed analysis. That's protein, fat, fiber percentages, and feeding guidelines. Keep these sections organized and easy to find. Highlight key benefits like grain-free, digestive health, or shiny coat with simple icons or short, punchy text. Color plays a huge role in conveying mood. Blues and greens often suggest naturalness and health, while warmer tones can feel more comforting. Experiment with a color palette that aligns with your brand and attracts your target audience. Organization is key in Photoshop. Use the Layers panel to keep your design elements separate. Name your layers logically, like logo, product name, ingredients, so you can easily make edits later. Finally, review your design. Zoom out to see the overall impact. Ensure everything is aligned, readable from a distance, and visually appealing. Save your work frequently and save a high-resolution version as a PDF when you're ready for printing.